Okay, students, different components of MS Access. In the top, there is title bar. So Microsoft Access product activation. This is red color. This is a title bar. This is your tabs: File tab, Home tab, Create tab, External data, Database tools. Then this is called your Quick Access toolbar. Here is written A. Here is A. So this is called Quick Access toolbar. Next is in this side. These are called navigation pan. So these are called navigation pan. Here is save, open. The suppose I click on home and click on create. Look at a file and suppose I open the database. So look at here. And this side, this is called, where is a table one? This is called navigation pan. Okay. And this is called, at the bottom, these are navigation buttons. Here is record 1 of 1. This is called navigation button. This is work area. This is called work area. Where you can enter the data is called work area. At the bottom, there is a status bar. Look at the mouse pointer. This is status bar. And this is called your ribbon. At the top, there is a ribbon. And these are different groups. Under tabs, these are clipboard. There is a sort and filter. These are called groups. And these are at the bottom. These are different. Here is not visible. At bottom there are view buttons, but here in my software view buttons are not visible. So I am repeating the component of your MS Access. At the top, title bar. Then there is quick access toolbar. Here is a capital A. If I click on that, there is a restore, move, size, minimize, maximize, close buttons are there. These are called quick access toolbar. These are tabs: file, home, create. These are tabs. And here is at the top, here is this is called navigation pan. Navigation pan. And these are navigation buttons. This is your status bar. This is your work area. This is groups. Under every tab, there are different groups. And this is called ribbon. ये पूरी complete line is called ribbon. और ऊपर की तरफ objects आ रहे हैं. Look at here. Table. ठीक है. Suppose I create here one form, one report. Look at here. I create report. So yes. Okay. So here is look at here. These are different objects. Table 1. Here is a one table, one report. So at top it is called object tab. तो जहां पे table 1 लिखा हुआ है, this is called object tab. So different objects of a different component of MS Access are title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, navigation pan, navigation button, object tabs, and status bar. So any doubt in this? If any doubt in this, please raise your hands. Asta, is it clear? Yes, there is one doubt. Rohit. Rohit, unmute yourself. Prabal, unmute yourself.
Sir, yes. Sir, can you please tell contextual tabs?
Which tab, beta?
Contextual tabs.
But tab is at the top. These are the different tabs are there. Okay.
Sir, contextual tabs.
Conceptual tabs.
Contextual.
1 minute better. Now, next important thing is how we can create blank database. A database, blank data means database means a database in which there is no any preloaded tables. हमारे पास कोई भी preloaded tables नहीं है, हमें सब कुछ खुद ही create करना पड़ेगा. So when I click on file, click on new. Okay, students, this screen which is visible here, this is called backside view. This is called backside view. Students, here is a blank database, blank web database, recent template, sample template, my template. This area is called backside view. Now, if we want to create a database, what you will do? You will click on blank database and click on create button or double click on blank database. आप कोई भी डेटाबेस अगर आपने ब्लैंक डेटाबेस बनाना है तो आप क्या करोगे, ब्लैंक डेटाबेस के ऊपर डबल क्लिक करोगे और सिलेक्ट द ब्लैंक डेटाबेस एंड क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट बटन. तो क्रिएट बटन यहाँ पे है. आपने क्या करना है, इस फाइल को नेम देना है. Look at here. So I am giving the name of the database is school, and then you can also select the location जहां पे हमने फाइल को सिलेक्ट करना है. My file is now saving in documents, so I can change the location by clicking on that. तो आप लोकेशन भी चेंज कर सकते हो. In place of document, you can save your data in C drive, D drive, or anything else. Now next is I save the document and click on by clicking on create button. So database is created. और जैसे ही मैं database create करूंगा, it table 1 is automatically there on the screen. जैसे ही मैं table create जैसे ही database create होगा, at the same time it by default table 1 will be created. So this is called this is the way we can create a new table. ठीक है. अब हमारे पास है अगर आपने टेबल क्रिएट करना है बाय टेम्पलेट्स. टेम्पलेट्स क्या होते हैं? प्री-लोडेड डिजाइन्स आर देयर. इट मींस नो नीड टू क्रिएट टेबल्स. टेबल्स विल बी प्री-लोडेड. लुक एट हियर. क्लिक ऑन फाइल, click on new. These are sample templates. So I click on that. So there are number of databases are there. I select students. So look at here. Automatically table created first name, last name, email ID, business phone number, company, job. Everything will be preloaded. So you will have to only fill the data. Yes, you can customize, you can delete the fields, you can add new fields, but the maximum things will be preloaded. So these are the two ways for creating database. Okay, students, if you have any doubt, please raise your hands. Anvay.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good
सर जैसे
morning, sir.
MS एक्सेल में हमें कोई स्प्रेडशीट प्रिंट करानी होती थी तो हम टेबल ड्रॉ करते थे उस पे अलग से. तो इसमें भी ऐसे होता है
in
MS एक्सेल.
wait 1 minute. Anyway, the MS is a DBMS software, database management system. तो इसमें एक्सेल में क्या था कि आपका डाटा, देयर इज नो एनी column name, field name, there is a just like a table. So we insert the data in grids. But in the case of your MS SS, it is a RDBMS. Here we fill the data in tables. This is important, beta. So here is the main difference is the Excel is a spreadsheet, but your MS Access is a RDBMS. यहाँ पे टेबल्स बनते हैं, टेबल में डाटा इंसर्ट होता है, यहाँ पे फॉर्म बनते हैं, यहाँ पे रिपोर्ट्स we can create, we can do number of things. In Access there is a primary key, but in Excel there is no any primary key. Anyway, concept is clear?
ऐसे सर जैसे हमने ये प्रिंट कराना है, अगर MS Excel में हमने प्रिंट करानी होती थी ना, अगर हम ऐसे ही प्रिंट कर दे तो टेबल शो ही नहीं होता था, हमें अलग से टेबल बनाना पड़ता था, तो इसमें भी वैसे ही होता है या नहीं?
But printing is little bit different, but after completing these topics I will also show how we can get the printout and the format of the printout.
Okay sir.
Okay beta. Now next is, if I want to close the application, the way is click on file, then click on, here is if I want to close the application, click on file, click on exit. तो क्या होगा कि आपका पूरा का पूरा software, the application will be closed, but there is a shortcut key that is used for to quit the MS Access is Alt and then F4. So if I press Alt and F4 combination, so what will happen? The application will be closed. So look at here, I press Control plus F4, the application closed. So I am again opening the MS Access. So now next is, beta come to the back exercise questions. So now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. Dash is a data dash. A dash is an organized way of storing the data. Yes, Prabal.
Sir, database.
Is a database. Very good. Next is a dash database store the data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of dash. Anmol.
Relational.
Yes, and piece of information.
Information.
Yes. Now number 3, all the columns in a table are called bunny. Yes. Yes.
Fields.
Fields. Very good. Very fields. Very. Next is dash key combination is used to quit the MS Access. Here is
Plus F4.
it is Alt F4. Very good.
Alt plus F4.
Yes.
Yes.
Next is dash help us to retrieve the filter data based upon some conditions.
Queries.
These are queries. Very good. Dash contains the value for all the fields that belong to a single person or single entity.
Record.
These are records. Very good, beta. Now true, false. Microsoft Access is a database management system.
False.
Beta, it is, we can say RDBMS or RDBMS, but RDBMS is a type of that DBMS. ठीक है? तो इसे हम DBMS भी कह सकते हैं, RDBMS भी कह सकते हैं. So this is true. Next is a set of characters that represent a valid value is known as data.
True.
It is true. In flat database management system, database system, you can make links.
False.
False. In RDBMS, we can make links.
Yes.
Next is, you can create a relationship between two tables by using unique field.
True.
True. Unique or common field is true.
Yes.
Tables, query, reports, and forms can be created in MS Access.
True.
True.
It is true. Very good. DBMS stands for Data and Business Management Software.
False.
It
False.
is false. The rows in a table are called records.
True.
True.
It is true. Very good, beta. Now there are some application-based questions. Supriya is given an assignment to create a new table in existing that document, suggest her the option which she should select after opening MSSS. Beta,
File menu.
yes, beta.
File menu.
Yes. Click on file. First, when we create the database, blank database,
File tab.
then click on create,
File.
and by default table is automatically created. Okay. If we want to create another table, then you will have to click on create and click on table. Okay.
Table.
So open blank database, a table automatically created. You will have to rename the fields. So I am repeating the steps. Create blank database. A table one automatically created. Rename the fields. ठीक है, आपने fields को rename करना है. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर right click करके आप इसके double click करोगे तो data type select करोगे text और साथ में field को name दे दोगे. So you will have to rename the fields, nothing else. Next is Mansi wants to quit MSSS. Beta, yes, shortcut key.
Alt plus F4.
Alt plus F4.
Alt plus F4. Very good, beta. Very good. Now MCQs. Dash is a shortcut key combination to save the database.
Control plus S.
Control plus IS. Dash is an application software which is used to create, modify, and extract data from database.
DBMS.
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 Okay, students, look at here. I click on file, click on here. Look at here. The extension of MS Access files is .accd.
ACCDB.
Okay.
DB.
Next question is it is C. The extension is ACCDB.
CC.
Yes, sir.
Next question is there are mainly dash type of database. Two types.
Two types of.
One is
Two types.
flat, another is relational. Next is dash are the user-friendly interface that is facilitate the process of entering the data in the table and queries.
Forms.
Forms.
Very good, beta. Forms. Which option display the name of current database on your on which you are working?
Title bar.
Sir, title bar.
Title bar. Very good, beta. Very good. Next is question answer. What is a database? A database is a collection of interlinked data. Give example: student database, employee database. Okay. Next question. Explain any four feature of MS Access.
Data redundancy.
Break your large data into small tables.
Database.
It remove data redundancy. It is quick. It is efficient, quick speed, and flexible. We can share the data. It provide data security. So these are different features. Next is what are the types of database? Two type of database.
Sir, flat file database.
Flat
Relational
database.
database.
Relational database.
Define the following terms. आपने notebook में सिर्फ करना है question number E and F. You will write in your question in your notebook, and tomorrow you will get back the answer, the checked notebook, beta. Define
Sir,
tables.
C नहीं करना.
Beta.
C नहीं करना.
C no need, beta. C भी कर लो. C, E and F. What is table? Table is a object of database DBMS in which we can store the data. So tables are building block of a database. Here we can store the data. Next is what is data? So data is a different values which we can valid value which we can store in a table. ठीक है, different values जो हम table में store कर सकते हैं. It is a set of characters. Reports, the printed format of database is called reports.
Reports.
Okay, so with this, this is your chapter. This is complete, and do your work. And after the, I will you will have to do the back exercise questions in your notebook. Okay, students. Now, if you have any
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes, Vipin.
Sir, you can repeat C part first question.
Okay, beta. Beta, first step, create blank database. Step number 2, table 1 automatically created. Step number 3, rename the fields.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and step number 4, enter the data. Okay, students. If you have any doubt, raise your hands. Otherwise, time is over. So I'm closing the meeting. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.